In this video, you will learn how to delete Rednote account. Many people choose to remove their accounts for different reasons. Some might not use the app anymore, while others may have worries about their privacy. Whatever your reason is, deleting your account is simple and straightforward. I will guide you through each step. First things first, grab your device and open up the Rednote app. Make sure you're logged into the account that you wish to delete. Once you're in the app, you'll notice 3 horizontal lines at the top left corner. Tap on these lines to access more options. In the menu that appears, tap on Settings. Once in Settings, tap on Account Security. In the Account Security section, scroll all the way down until you see Account Cancellation. Tap on this option to begin the deletion process. Next up is verifying your identity. Tap on Send Verification Code. You'll receive a code sent to the phone number associated with your Rednote account. Once you have received that code via SMS, enter it into the designated text box within the app. Tap on this button. Now that you've entered your verification code successfully, you'll be taken to a page detailing what happens when you start the deletion process. It's crucial to read through this information carefully. If you don't understand Chinese, consider using Google Translate for clarity. On this page, there will be a checkbox that requires your acknowledgement regarding account deletion consequences. Make sure to checkmark this box before proceeding further. After that, tap on the button below. You'll now need to select a reason for why you're choosing to delete your Rednote account from a provided list of options. Once selected, tap on the button at the bottom of this screen. Finally, tap here. And there you have it, your Rednote account has been deleted successfully. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.